Welcome to this tutorial on np.argmax. This is a powerful NumPy function that helps you find the index of the maximum value in an array. Let's explore how it works. So what exactly is np.argmax? It's a NumPy function that returns the index position of the maximum value in an array. Notice that it returns the index, not the actual maximum value itself. This is an important distinction we'll see throughout this tutorial. The basic syntax is straightforward. You write np.argmax, then pass in your array as the first parameter. The second parameter, axis, is optional and defaults to none. We'll explore what the axis parameter does shortly. Let's start with a simple one-dimensional array example. We create an array containing the values 3, 7, 2, 9, and 5. When we call np.argmax on this array, it returns 3. Why 3? Because the maximum value, which is 9, is located at index position 3. Remember, Python uses zero-based indexing. Here's a visual representation of what's happening. Looking at our array, we have 5 elements with their respective index positions. The value 9 at index 3 is the largest number in the array. Therefore, argmax returns the number 3, which is the index of that maximum value. Now let's look at two-dimensional arrays. We create a 2x3 array with 2 rows and 3 columns. When we use axis equals 0, argmax compares values down each column. The result is an array showing which row contains the maximum value for each column. In this case, it returns 1, 0, 1, meaning row 1 has the max for column 0, row 0 has the max for column 1, and row 1 has the max for column 2. Using the same two-dimensional array, when we set axis equals 1, argmax compares values across each row. The result shows which column contains the maximum value for each row. Here it returns 1, 0, meaning the maximum value in row 0 is at column 1, and the maximum value in row 1 is at column 0. Let's recap the key points. First, np.argmax returns the index, not the value itself. Second, use the axis parameter when working with multi-dimensional arrays to specify the direction of comparison. And third, if multiple maximum values exist, argmax returns the index of the first occurrence. Understanding these fundamentals will help you effectively use argmax in your data analysis tasks.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.